Good morning, gentlemen. Today we are going to see aircraft you may not know it. Gentlemen, after giving extensive lectures all across the India, I came to know people are unaware of the facts about the Air Force and aircraft. Hence, I have decided and planned to give lectures based on this subject mentioned, that is aircraft you may not know it, man versus machine. Gentlemen, man versus machine, in this nine chapters I have divided, because man is equally important along with the machine in the field of aviation industry. Gentlemen, aircraft invention is in the year of 1903. That means merely 120 years span of time, aircraft development has taken place and reached to the sky. Gentlemen, related with the aviation industry or aircraft, there are different role of mankind. Hence, I have covered this subject into two chapters, that is man versus machines, that is topics. Under that nine chapters I have divided. Gentlemen, in main, basically we are going to see what are the different career opportunities related with the aircraft in the civil as well as defense services, along with the educational institutions. Next, we are going to see in the main second chapter Indian Air Force officers, how they are getting selected, what are the different ranks and what is the role they played in the aircraft industry. Next, we are going to see third chapter, that is regarding the airman. Airman also plays equally important role in the aviation industry. Next is the pilot. How to become pilot, what is the basic requirement, what are the subjects you must keep in the 11th and 12th standard, those things we are going to see. Next, fifth chapter is A.M.E, that is aircraft maintenance engineer. Like pilot on the aircraft, licensed engineers only are allowed to work on the aircraft. Hence, we are going to see aircraft maintenance engineering. These A.M.E schools are there in the all over across the India. Around 70 plus schools are there to impart technical knowledge to the engineers, those who are going to work on the aircraft and they are getting license from the DGCA, Director General of Civil Aviation, where I have worked. Next is PABT, sixth chapter. PABT stands for Pilot Aptitude Battery Test. In this we are going to see the details, what are the things we are going to cover. Next is exam for the officers, next exam for the airman, and then we are going to see future of the aircraft and career in aviation. These are the important 9 chapters in the main topic. Next, in the machine, there are again 9 chapters I have divided for the convenience. First, we are going to see what is the aircraft, and then next, what are the models of the aircraft, what is the principle of flight, then what are the different types and varieties of the aircraft, then aircrafts used in the Indian Air Force, aircrafts used in civil aviation industry, and then we are going to see the aircrafts runway and radar. Runway is very important, without which aircraft cannot take off in the air, and landing also runway is required. And next is for detection and navigation purpose, different radars are there. In the aircraft, almost 26 lakh components are there in the aircraft, of which 19 total radar models, different types of radars are used in the fully developed aircraft. Next, ATC. ATC plays very important, crucial role for helping and navigation of the aircraft and landing of the aircraft. Next is ATS routes. ATS means air traffic surveillance routes. In the air also, like runways, like highways, in the airspace also routes are marked their width, they are being named, that we are going to see in the ATS. And weather. Weather plays very important role for the flying of the aircraft and for the pilot's career life. So we are going to see these are the man versus machines, different chapters one by one in coming lectures. Goodbye.